I hear them whispering about the places that you've been, and how you don't know how to keep your business